Hello, mathematicians. Today we are going to be looking at one of our homework review pages. This page has to do with checking how we're making shapes that are divided equally in half or shaded equally in half, solving equations with addition and subtraction, completing these equations, and solving a word problem. Now, I noticed that some of you are doing this on paper, so it's okay if you need to watch this video just to check your work. But if you're doing it on paper on your own, you can complete it there. You don't have to complete it on Seesaw. And on Seesaw, I'm going to put this, but I'm also going to put some other activities for you to choose. So looking at this page to help out with our packet work, I see the first question asks us, which shape is shaded in half, or which shape is half shaded? This one looks unequal. It's got a larger part on the bottom and a smaller part on top. Half needs to be exactly equal. So this is my correct answer. Write two addition equations that are related to 13 minus 9. So 13 minus 9, well, I know anything minus 9 is going to be one more number than what's in my ones place, because 9 isn't quite 10 to give us that equation. So I can think 13 minus 9, well, what's one more than 3 in my ones place? Would be 4. That's a quick trick. So I know that 13 minus 9 is 4, because if I'm counting up, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I had 4 extra fingers to get to 13. So I need to reverse this and use my fact family. 9 plus 4 gives me 13. 9 plus 4 gives me 13. However, I do not need to put 13 on this side of my equation because we're still trying to get 13 as our answer. So all you need to do to complete this part is actually switch your add-ins. So you're going to switch the 9 and 4 to show that fact family underneath. Down here, you're trying to solve for the missing number. So 9 is something plus 3. 3 plus something gives us 14. 13 minus 2 gives us something, and something plus 8 gives us 10. So you're going to solve for those. And finally, it says solve the problem. Some dogs were playing in the park. 7 more dogs ran over. Then there were 9 dogs. How many dogs were in the park before? So we have some dogs, which is a question mark. We don't know how many were there before. We're in the park. Then 7 more dogs came, so that has to be a plus 7. Now there were 9 dogs. And how did I get those numbers? Well, I have to know my number words. 7, some means question mark, and 9 is my total. Then there were 9 dogs. So this is my equation. Something plus 7 equals 9 dogs. Well, I can count up from 7. Let me show you what that looks like on the number line. 7, how many bumps do I need to get to 9? 7, 8, 9. So it's actually just plus 2 bumps. So 2 dogs is going to be my answer. Because if I go back and retell the story and replace it with the number 2, 2 dogs were playing in the park. So 2 dogs were playing in the park. Plus 7 more came. Now there are 9 dogs in the park. I was solving for this missing number. All right, you're going to practice this and other problems on Seesaw or in your packet. Have a good day, mathematicians, and keep being awesome.